Hi, this is Miss Smith here with Chemistry Week 2, Gas Laws. I'm just going to do a quick overview of the assignments and how to do them. So the first thing we have here is our chemistry week 2 gas laws. This is just a overview of the assignments and the notes. So we have our objective, being able to describe just the concepts of temperature, volume, and pressure, and how those three concepts or those three phenomena are related as it applies to gas laws. Then we have 3 videos about real-world applications of gas laws. Then we have some notes over pressure conversions and the different units of conversions for basically going between different rates of measuring pressure. Now, the 3 assignments, the first one is the animated gas lab, and it has 10 questions. That would be here, the gas law simulator assignment. So when you click on it, you'll be directed to this form. You'll put in your information, and the first part is looking at the relationship between temperature and pressure. So first, click the link to go to the gas law simulator. Now on my view, it doesn't show as a link, but on yours it should. If it doesn't, I apologize. But if you copy and paste and put it up here, you'll be brought to this page. Second step says we're going to observe the relationship between temperature and pressure. First, lock the volume at 800 liters. So on here, I circled it and I said click lock, which is what you do. Then we're going to increase the temperature by pressing at least 100 degrees Kelvin by pressing the heat button. Ooh, typo. Need to fix that. So we're going to press the heat button and increase the temperature about 100 degrees Kelvin. Note what is happening to the pressure. So I'm going to cool it down just a little bit. And whenever the temperature goes up, what happens to the pressure? So you're going to use those observations to answer these questions. As the temperature increases, the pressure does what? Increase, decrease, remain the same. Then you'll answer the same thing about tire pressure and temperature. What happens to the pressure inside a tire as the temperature decreases? So think about when it's cold outside. What happened to your tires, to the pressure inside your tires? Does the pressure increase, decrease, or remain the same? And then looking at the gas laws, if we're looking at the relationship between temperature and pressure, which gas law would that relate to? You'll click the one you think is correct and then go to the next section. That one's over pressure and volume, and you'll do much the same thing. Then, looking at the next assignment, we have pressure conversions, and there's 4 questions. So, pressure conversion practice. Once again, you'll put your name, information, and then you'll be directed to your questions. So here, the melting point of mercury is 234 Kelvin. Now, how do I convert that to Celsius? So I've linked a little YouTube video right here that goes over temperature conversions. So Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus 273. Using this, you can also rearrange it. C is equal to Kelvin minus 273. Keep that in mind and use that to solve for your missing variables here. Then you also have a converting pressure one. I put another link to a YouTube video that shows you how to convert pressure. And these are what we call our units our standards that we use to convert pressure. So they're all right here at your disposal. And then finally, week 2 gas laws quiz. So it's only 3 questions. Oh, yes, of course. I know I didn't answer it. So you'll answer these 3 questions. So which gas law will you use to solve this problem? Charles, please, baby. Give me this. No, go. Now. So you'll use this information right here to solve these questions. So which gas law would you use? So you've been given the variables of Kelvin and pressure. Kelvin is the same as temperature, so you're looking at temperature and pressure. Which gas law does that pertain to? Then you have a pressure conversion problem and a temperature conversion problem. Now, if you get stuck on anything, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Um, Also, I'm wishing y'all well. I actually miss everyone. It's kind of boring sometimes, but hey, I keep myself busy and I keep the kids busy. My kids, I think they want to go back to school though too. I think they're sick of me. Anyway, have a good day.